Finished in silver birch with original black hide interior, built and fitted with 5-speed transmission. The DB5 first found fame in the hands of Ian Flemings' fictional character, Commander James Bond, secret agent number 007, and featured heavily in the 1964 blockbuster movie Goldfinger. The DB5 also appeared in many later 007 franchise films as Bond's beloved and trusted personal car, becoming known to a global audience as the world's most famous car. An icon of the Aston Martin brand, this delightful DB5 has been serviced, upgraded and maintained regularly in our own heritage workshops since being acquired from ourselves over 12 years ago by a renowned car enthusiast, celebrated collector and globally recognised popular musician, singer and songwriter. Subject of substantial restorative works in the early 2000s, including chassis and body restoration, a bare metal repaint and an engine rebuild to 4.2 litre and lead-free fuel specifications. Rebuilds to the suspension and brakes too. This matching engine and chassis numbers example has subsequently been regularly exercised and enjoyed over the last 12 years on short journeys and summer jaunts when not being displayed at various car shows and classic car meetings in the hands of its last renowned owner. With the majority of the restorative works carried out in the early 2000s, this delightful, lightly patinated and exceptional driving DB5 is one of just 887 manufactured with coupe bodies, entering into production in 1964 and delivered in March 1965 to its first owner. Just 4 owners have been recorded subsequently. A more recent engine cylinder head overhaul and a major service completes the picture of what is a highly pleasing example of the model, showing only minimal signs of age as the car approaches its 60th birthday. Supplied with a substantial leather-bound history folder, fully prepared and with 12 months warranty. The car is now available for viewing and inspection at our Hertfordshire showroom.